Okay, this is our second reform movement, and it is the temperance movement. And you click on the week, you'll see it's this folder right here. So you should have already completed the abolitionist movement, and now we're moving on to temperance. And like before, you have a PDF file, which you'll click on, and I already have it pulled up right here. Now, sometimes with these files, they are in landscape mode, not portrait. So what you can do is you just have to use this little rotating button right here, and it will rotate it so you can actually see it. Down here are your directions. It says read the definitions at the bottom, which are right here. Again, these terms will come up through your reading. We have temperate, liquor, inflation, abstinence, prohibited, drunkard, and legacy. After that, you are going to read this document right here, Temperance Movement. Over here, there's a little bit more history into the movement. Read that. And then this right here is a primary source document. You guys know what that means. That means it came from that particular time period. And this was written in 1841. And this was found in a children's book. So I want you to keep that in the back of your mind as you are reading this, because there is a question that goes along with that. And a lot of these words, obviously, they are underlined, so you may find that they might be, words that you may not understand. I realize that these words are not actually in the vocab words that we gave you, but you have a wonderful thing called Google at home, and you can simply go to dictionary.com and you can find the answers. So after you read that, yes, there are questions you have to answer, and they are in a separate Word document, so you can actually type it. You'll see here that it says to draw a sign that you might have used in the temperance movement. If you want to, feel free, but obviously there's really no way for you to draw that and give that back to us freehand. So artists, I'm very sorry, but we are not requiring this as part of the assignment. Okay, so if I go back here, after I have read the necessary documents, then I go right here with the early temperance movement origins. This is a video from Khan Academy. It's only about 5 minutes, very informative, and it'll just give you a better understanding of the movement. Afterwards, you do have to answer some questions on the temperance movement. It says, answer the questions on this document. Yes, they need to be in complete sentences. Just because we are under quarantine does not mean we need to get lazy. Remember, after you're done typing your answers, you must go back to the Schoology tab and refresh your screen before you submit. So, here are the questions. Remember, this is Office 365, so it automatically saves as you type. When you're done, you go back to the Schoology tab, hit that refresh button, and submit it, and you're good to go.